Go get him, buddy.
Sweetie pie. Here, sweetie pie. And Emma's over here too. Want your little drumstick, sweetheart? I know those indentions kind of get you hung up there for a while.
Doing good, DK.
Come here, sweetie. Oh, look at you. Oh my goodness, you're mobile. You are so mobile.
Dakota.
Believe it.
Dakota. Dakota.
There's some good newspaper.
Mom, turn him around.
Okay. Come here, baby. Here, let's turn you around.
So this be somewhat
Oh.
good video. Dakota, look.
Oh.
Hi.
She said, I want it. I want it. I'm going to get it.
Say hi. Say hi. I think you see the red light flashing or something.
Uh-huh.
What is it? Ooh. Are you going to laugh?
Oh.
Oh.
You're such a sweetheart. Mwah.
Dakota, come here.
Pit fired. So, you know, my father and I tried that one time with some pottery.
Dakota.
Y'all were with us down by the river. We used to walk way down. We tried a pit firing and the pot exploded immediately. Yes.
Because you didn't have it hot enough.
We had it too hot. You have to let it die down, you know, and be just the
Say
right.
goodbye. Say bye-bye.
And plus, you can't. I mean, you gradually have to heat up.
Here's your mama.
You know, you can't just stick it
Say
in
bye, Dakota.
the fire.
Say bye.